evening. Hello, Larry. That's what I want. That's what I want.
That's all right.
Send a light on him, no, sir.
I see a part you don't like.
I want him a DJ.
It must come. Rise to the occasion. I round it. 6 hours.
When you're not with a DJ.
Come out of your belly, man. Come out of your belly.
Hey!
Come on, man. Come on. Yes, come on. Come out of your belly.
Alright, so here we are talking about now. Give a break off for that now. Now this month now we are encourage safe sex.
Safe sex.
Right?
Yeah.
Sometimes they say no sex is the best sex. Is true that? How long now you don't get no sex?
10 years now.
Eh?
I go for 10 years.
About 10 years?
Yeah.
Right, so it's safe to say boy you're on the safe sex road.
Yeah.
So now, like we say boy you get a little piece.
You don't condom, I put the condom on.
Yeah, put the condom on it. How you use it?
You condom, I put the condom.
That's it. Ragamuffin, don't be silly. Rubber span your wheelie. So now, how you use the condom there now, Joel?
Pinch a little inch, roll. Pinch a little inch and roll. Pinch a little inch and roll.
I think you miss out part of it, do you know?
Yeah.
You don't miss out no part of it?
Yeah, I want to go in night. I have to go in night, man.
You just have to pinch and roll.
Pinch and inch.
So you have to put in night.
Pinch a little inch and roll.
So you have to put in night. You have to put in night. You have to go in night.
Pinch and inch and roll.
No man, we have to put the condom on. Eh? Where is it? Okay. And then you have to roll.
Yeah.
Then that's how we talk, man. So, how you go romance the girl now?
Eh? Just curl up with that show and rubbing, man. Roman.
But explain the man, we are bushman, man. Remember, say 10 years, man, so supposed to forget. Yeah. You can kiss in her, go on. You can kiss in her, go on.
No, I can't kiss.
Eh?
Can't kiss her.
You can't kiss her? Why make you can't kiss her?
I go, girl. Girl, I go,
Oh.
Eat the meat, too.
Eh?
Eat the meat.
This guy the meat, but like it. Anytime I'm hungry, I go and shop, go buy bullet. Anytime I get hungry, I go and shop, go buy bullet.
No, man, you're best one. You're best one.
So, how you walking, mate? How you walking, mate? How you walking, mate? How you walking, mate? In Japan?
No, I'm going to go.
Yeah, one more question for you, see? Which position you get?
Backers, you know.
Backers?
Backers. You take the gun up. Backers. You take the gun up. Backers.
Alright. Cool.
How you walking, mate?
Eh?
How you walking, mate?
Go on again there.
Oh.
Just so. Eh? The whole time. Then when you pop now, where you go now? When you pop? Eh? You know pop? How long you working meat for? Eh?
I'm going to take long. I'm going to take long to stick. I'm going to take long though.
Alright, cool man. Yo.
Save me.
I'm save you right now. Big up your fan them, because you're both people.
Big up DJ Soji.
Big up Soji, big up yourself. Ruthless, Rummy and Berg up, big up all. Clip my clapter. Helicopter man them. Don't call you only. You can. I don't know anything.
Bad boy Soji.
Real thing.